Hey guys, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do another grocery haul for you guys. I'm trying to only send my husband out once a week to get groceries, and he just got back with the first round. He went out to go to another store to try to find the other stuff that we need that we weren't able to get at Kroger. So I'm going to kind of show you what we got and then my process for trying to clean the groceries because, as you know, people have touched all of this stuff to stock it and everything. So this is half of it. What I started doing already is I wipe everything down with a Clorox wipe that does not have a container or a package that I can take it out of. So like milk and tea and hamburger like this and stuff, I'm just gonna have to wipe that down, the broccoli and all that stuff. Smaller things that came in boxes like these waffles, I took them out of the box and I'll just put them in there like that. I'm gonna go ahead and wash those and put them in a glass bowl before I put them in the refrigerator. I took all of the crackers out of the box they were in. I'm just making a big stack of cardboard right there. So that's what I'm gonna do. So pretty much all of this stuff, well, the cookies I can actually take out as well, but everything else in here, for the most part, I just have to try to wipe down. So it's kind of my process for trying to clean things as best I can before I put it in the refrigerator or the pantry or wherever it belongs. So that's what I'm going to do while he is still at the store, and then I'll show you the stuff we got in this haul, and then I'll show you the stuff that we got when he gets back. So I've wiped down the big bottles and the things that I'm not going to be able to take out. I took out the Simple Truth chocolate sandwich cookies. The girls love those. Unfortunately, one of these bags of bison, which I didn't ask for, my husband decided to get it, which is fine, but it's not sealed. So we can't eat that anyway, but this one looks like it's okay. So I wiped that one down. He also got the wrong kind of ground beef, but again, it's fine. I usually get the organic ground beef. He got the natural ground beef, but it'll be okay. 2 more things of syrup. The only broccoli florets we have been able to find in town since this whole thing started. He got the 1 bag that was there. 2 more bags of these, and I'm going to go ahead and I wiped them down, but I'm going to go ahead and put those in this little bag. The girls like those as a sweet treat, and then I also put them in my youngest oatmeal. She likes that instead of sugar. So I am going to put those in that little baggie when I get with this haul. 4 more packages of this Applegate Organics uncured Black Forest ham. The girls love this. This has been like their go-to lunch because they love these Annie's biscuits. I've talked about these before. They're good for breakfast, but they're also really good if you have for lunch or you have leftovers from the previous day's breakfast. What I usually do is put them in the oven, and a couple minutes before the biscuits are done, I take them out, cut them open, I put a little thing of ham and some cheese, and then put them back in the oven with the biscuits and let the cheese and ham get all warm and melty. And the girls are like obsessed. That has been their favorite lunch so far, is the Annie's biscuits with lunch meat ham. So I got 4 packages of the ham, 4 things of biscuits, so we're set with those. These are actually Ritz crackers, 2 boxes of the girls' Nature's Path chocolate chip waffles, which they love, a thing of organic strawberries. We did get some non-organic eggs that are white just because we're going to be coloring them for Easter. And I don't know that you can color brown eggs that we normally get because our organic eggs are brown, but I don't know. I think you can get a special kit to order to color brown eggs, but I just have a regular kit and I wasn't sure if it was going to work. So we did just go ahead and get some white eggs just to color for Easter, another thing of the organic butter, a thing of organic tortillas, and oh, I forgot the bread. It was funny. My husband sent me a picture and he's like, which bread? And I didn't know, I couldn't read the label from his text. I was like, well, just get 1 of each. And somehow he also came home with this little guy, a sourdough bowl. I don't know. I don't know what to do with that, but I guess we'll figure something out. And then onions. Oh, and his tea also. He got more of his tea. I don't drink tea when I'm at home. So that is haul number 1. I'm going to try to put everything away one-handed, and I'm having a hard time because normally I only shop for 1 week at a time. So it's definitely an adjustment trying to make room for multiple weeks of breakfast, lunch, and dinner. That's something I'm not really used to because, for one, we don't buy that much food in advance, and number two, we don't normally eat lunch at home. So it's definitely different getting all of this food for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for 4 people instead of just the 3, and then, you know, extras in case we can't find it next time. So I'm going to put all the biscuits over here. My husband got cinnamon rolls last time he was at the store. And then once I get done putting everything up, then I wipe down all the countertops, the refrigerator handles, the doorknob my husband touched to get in the house. Pretty much everything in here I wipe down after I get all the groceries put away. Okay, this is all he got at Whole Foods because they didn't have bread, hamburger buns, broccoli florets, a few other things, some cereal and stuff like that. Nothing terribly major. We've got a little bit of bread frozen, so we're okay with that. He did finally find organic chicken nuggets. This is not the one we usually get, but it'll do. It's gluten-free and organic, so that's nice. We got 2 bags of that. The girls like that for lunch. Also, 3 bags of organic penne, and then lots of chicken. So we are having a hard time finding chicken. So he did get 5 things of chicken, so that'll last us about 2 weeks. And then he also found, my oldest daughter's been drinking this tea at night. She really likes it. So he did find a box of this week, because last week he wasn't able to get a box of that. So one thing I wanted to share, and I talked about this before, this video is not sponsored. I've never been sponsored by Fetch Rewards, but I use them every single time I go to the grocery, and now is no exception. And I'm actually spending now at the grocery more than I ever have, because I am having to buy so much at once just to make sure that we have enough. So basically, Fetch Rewards is a free app. It's free to sign up. It's free to use. Anytime you go to the grocery store, you just scan your receipt. Really easy. It doesn't matter what you bought. It's not certain items or anything like that, like some of the other grocery apps are. And I earn points. I earn 25 points from that purchase. And I'll scan the Whole Foods receipt too here in a minute, and I'll get points for that purchase. And then you can redeem your points for gift cards and prizes and things like that. So I usually do restaurant gift cards, usually do Panera. If we're going to Disney, I'll usually do Rainforest Cafe. There's all different types of rewards on here you can turn your points in for. So it's basically getting stuff for free just for grocery shopping, no matter where you shop, whether it's Trader Joe's, Wegmans, Costco, Target, Kroger, anywhere like that, any item, you are able to scan your receipt and earn points. And I believe you get 2,000 bonus points when you sign up for your Fetch Rewards app through the link in my description box, so that'll get you started with some points in your account. But highly recommend it. I've done it. I've gotten so many gift cards from using it, and especially right now, we're all buying probably more than we ever have for groceries. Now is the perfect time to start using it. So just kind of throwing that out there. If you don't already have a Fetch Rewards account, make sure you sign up for one. So that is everything we were able to get today. It's a decent haul. We've got enough of what we need, even though we didn't find everything, so we're gonna be all right. You guys let me know what you're having trouble finding, and any meal ideas that you've been kind of throwing together with what you do have. I'd be really interested to know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You guys stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.